I keep on working, got purpose and work. Music my drive, as long as my purpose. I'm getting this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but I'm not much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Walk out the opinions until they get dead. They all gonna speak, but you listen to sand. Listen to me when you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep on trying to learn to attack, never look back. I leave a record, I crash. Top of my bracket, I smash. Feel like a pack, I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast, never change. I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback. I ain't running here to stay, standing up to my lane. I stay that motherfucker straight. Don't get everyone's the same. Don't get caught up in it. Just let it rain. Do your thing. I don't just wanna be great. I'll be the best. Make everybody forget all the rest. Been the last. Put my chest for that haters' request. I'll be okay. I pick my lane. I'ma stick to it like horse in a vein. This is the game. Now we go big. I'm gonna wing it the fuck out my way. I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I'm like lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing on my checks, bitch. Cookies on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless, I'ma stay progressive. She gon' stay obsessive, life is so expensive. Do everything excessive, I think my brain's defective, yeah. Can't think when she's aggressive, yeah. She's looking to my section, yeah. I think I'll learn my lesson, yeah. He ain't getting no these girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, and show me. 'Cause we ain't getting no sleep. We ain't getting no sleep. Yeah. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just...
Chirali Cătălin, ești campionul celei de-a doua ediții a Munteanu Fight Club Low Kick Competition. Cum te simți?
Mă simt foarte bine, mulțumesc antrenorului meu Marius Munteanu și Pascu Ciprian și Kermeș Luca. M-am antrenat, mă pregătesc, mă simt foarte bine.
Te-ai antrenat special pentru competiția asta?
Pot să zic că da, m-am antrenat, că mi-am dorit să câștig și așa s-a întâmplat și am câștigat.
Felicitări încă o dată. Care a fost cel mai puternic adversar?
Toți sunt puternici, dar mi s-a părut că finala a fost cea mai puternică contra lui Dințu Daniel.
Felicitări încă o dată pentru câștig. Ești unul dintre cei mai buni sportivi ai clubului. Pe multe înainte.
Mulțumesc frumos, datorită vouă sunt cel mai bun.
be back in a minute. I'll be back to